If you want to know why Marks Factory is the ultimate Web3 IDE, check out my other videos. There are tons of video examples of dApps, debuggers, and IDEs that I built with Marks Factory. I am building the Laurel with Marks Factory, and I am building Marks Factory with Marks Factory. And the time has come to focus on better developer tools and user tools for users with a more inquisitive nature. In the editing mode, when writing a decentralized application in our Tailor-powered Markdown language, you can open the Tools menu and see the table of contents with the user manual. And you can open the manual in edit mode, so you can continue writing an awesome manual for your dApp users. So let's see how this manual looks for your users. We are going into preview mode. Let's see the table of contents, and you can quickly navigate in a long application. You can also open the manual as a full presentation. And you can open our internal developer tools, like our logger, and view the application logs indexed with a tree of topics. For example, if we select another task here, a log is added and indexed by timestamp and by the topics chosen by the dApp developer. In this case, task select. And we can find it here, and we can find it indexed by its timestamp, along with another log logging the vote status. If we choose another option for the graph, we see that it is also logged, and we can find it under Options, Select. And so on. And when we are done with the app, we can have a log of all the important actions that we took. And we can also analyze the full logged objects and see the level, timestamp, origin, topics, and the logged variables. You can open your dApp in our external developer tools in another page, like with our EVM debugger or Jack the Hijacker that we presented in previous videos. And I will show you more in later videos. The Marks Factory and all these tools are built by volunteers for volunteers. You are welcome to join the revolution. Details in the description.